A systematic review of 301 academic articles on cultural ecosystem services has enabled researchers to identify how these non-material contributions from nature are linked to and significantly affect human well-being. This comprehensive review brings together observations from a fragmented field of research, which could be of great use to policymakers looking to benefit society through the careful use and protection of the intangible benefits of nature. Do you ever feel the need for a bit of fresh air to energize yourself, or to spend time in the garden to relax? Aside from clean water, food and useful raw materials, nature provides many other benefits that we might overlook or find it hard to grasp and quantify. Research into cultural ecosystem services, CESs, the non-material benefits we receive from nature, aims to better understand these contributions, whether they emerge through recreation and social experiences, or nature's spiritual value and our sense of place. Hundreds of CES studies have explored the connections between nature and human well-being. However, they have often used different methods and measurements, or focused on different demographics and places. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.